Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a review and health benefits of apple cider vinegar gummies or tablets.
Also, how these gummies can help you lose 5 to 12 kgs, so make sure you watch it till end.
Now these days we can find all the supplements in gummy forms or tablet forms so that they are easy to consume and of course give you added minerals and vitamins to help you with your concerns. Now I have tried so many fizzy tablets, I've tried hair gummies, I've tried healthy vitamin C gummies, vitamin C tablets. So I've got a good experience and I can definitely share with you guys, do they really work? Are they effective? And should you consume them? Now, I am in specific going to be talking about the Satin's ACV gummies, which is basically apple cider vinegar gummies. Now, starting off with gummies are basically like a sweeter form of multivitamins that you can, consume instead of consuming multivitamin tablets. आई फील लाइक काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग मल्टीवाइटामिन टैबलेट्स या फिर विटामिन सी टैबलेट्स वगैरह कंज्यूम करते ही आए हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट in the past few years we have experimented a lot and हमें अलग अलग चीज़ें जैसे फिजी टैबलेट्स हो गए, गमीज हो गए, उस तरीके से हम ये विटामिन्स मिनरल्स कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. अलग अलग टाइप की गमीज आती है फॉर योर विटामिन सी, विटामिन डी, ओमेगा फैटी एसिड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. हेयर फॉल के लिए, फिर हेयर ग्रोथ के लिए गमीज आती है. देयर आर ऑल्सो गमीज फॉर पीरियड्स, PMS के लिए. So I have tried all of these gummies and I can tell you they do work. Specific brands, they do work. And not all gummies have sugar. कोई gummies में sugar रहते हैं, कोई gummies में just like stevia या ऐसा कुछ added sugar रहता है, या फिर ऐसा कुछ similar to sugar, sucrose रहता है, but not directly sugar. So yeah, I have tried all of these and I can actually say they do work. Now the one that I'm going to review today is from Satin. Satin is a health and wellness brand. आपको Satin के अंदर gummies भी मिलेंगे, hair related products मिलेंगे, face related product मिलेंगे और बहुत सारा. I'll leave the link below of the website. So I've tried the sunscreen, I've tried the serum, and I've also tried the hair vitalizer, which do work. This time I tried their ACV tablet gummies. Now मैं पहले ना ACV के वो fizz वाला पीती थी. Then I stopped in between. Then I actually got this one and I have finished it. I hardly have like 10 tablets left inside. ये basically ऐसे individual आती है and you can just remove and consume it. These are like sweet strawberry flavored apple cider vinegar tablets. Now apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits. If you are chubby like me, first of all it helps you with weight loss, like prolonged period of time. Okay, instantly कुछ नहीं करता. Even this gummies, if you are a little cautious, आप अपने डॉक्टर को भी पूछ के ये ले सकते हो. You can find you can consult your doctor, ask them should I take added apple cider vinegar. Then if they say yes, you can start consuming this. Now ये आपको specifically खाने के बाद लेना चाहिए. अगर आप डॉक्टर बोलते हैं कि खाने के बाद, डिनर के बाद लो या पहले लो, you can go according to that. But if you are just using it as a multivitamin or an added benefit like I am, तो आप इसको खाने के बाद ले सकते हो. मैं usually lunch के बाद लेती हूँ and I believe ये 1 महीने का supply रहता है and you just have to take 1 gummy a day. But कोई लोग 2-3 भी लेते हैं. I only take 1 a day and I do see the difference. And you can only see the difference once you start using it regularly. Now इसमें ना अलग अलग टाइप की गमीज आती है फॉर द डिफरेंट कंसर्न. जैसे हेयर के लिए हो गया, विटामिन्स के लिए हो गया, ओमेगा फैटी एसिड्स के लिए होगा. ये स्पेसिफिकली वेट लॉस और वेलनेस के लिए है. This is specifically for weight loss and the health of your gut because apple cider vinegar, it's got the acidic effect in our stomach that ensures that जो चीज़ें हैं वो जल्दी से break down हो in your stomach. So in turn it helps with good digestion. That's why it's recommended कि आप खाना खाने के बाद इसे लो. मैंने तो काफ़ी अच्छा डिफरेंस देखा है इसको यूज़ करके. I have not seen कि my bowel movements have become good or not. No, I have seen difference in my physical appearance. Like I feel much better and I feel like this just adds on. Like if you do diet, if you exercise and उसके साथ साथ आप ये भी supplement लेते हो, then अगर आपका 10% हो रहा है तो वो 15% हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप एक added supplement ले रहे हो.
So these are the Satin's ACV apple cider vinegar gummies, which are for healthy gut and weight loss. Now I am on my second bottle of this. While I was recording it, I realized it was empty. So yeah, I'm on my second bottle of it. So you can definitely assume how effective and amazing this gummy is. It comes individually packed, and in a bottle you get total 30 gummies, so it's your 1 month supply. Now ideally, when you read the instructions, they say that you can have one gummy after consuming your dinner or your lunch, however you like it. I usually consume it after my lunch, and it's like a sweet, apple cum strawberry sort of a gummy. It's not too sweet also. That's the reason I really like it. And as you can see, this is how it is. First of all, I have to appreciate that they didn't go for the gummy shape. They went for a different shape, and it's a chewy one. So yeah, it's got like apple cider vinegar benefits, and it does help in the long run. Also guys, a quick comparison. This is after using the entire bottle, and see, you don't have to use it just as alone. Do proper dieting as well as some exercise. This is just an added supplement that will help you achieve it faster.
So overall I would say this is actually very effective. मुझे तो काफी फर्क पड़ा है, and it's affordable also. वरना बहुत सारे tablets expensive आती है, ये काफी affordable है और इसमें आपको अलग variety भी मिल जाएगी. You can check it out. I'll leave the links below. So this was my review on this specific tablet or gummy, and I hope you guys found it helpful. But if you want to see more similar videos, do let me know. I would love to make them for you all. Like इसमें कोई दूसरा range आपको review चाहिए या फिर ऐसे कोई similar products, I would love to do that for you all. So this was the video on the Satin's ACV gummies. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can use my code. I have mentioned it over here and get extra off. I trust Satin for all my health and wellness needs, and you can definitely try and see the results. So this was the video guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.